Hey guys, hope you're well. Just wanted to share a bit of a tip with you. I want to get some spots done in one of our rooms, and the builder said, warn me beforehand, you got a crack through the artex in the ceiling. So because it's an old property, 1960s, 1950s, you have to be careful. So I chose to follow my gut, and so he started drilling a hole here for the first spot. As you can see, it's like chipping around the edge, and from the vibration, the builder did warn me that other parts of the ceiling started to crumble down. So because the old property, the artex has dried out, the wood in between has deteriorated, so it can't withstand the vibrations. So just a tip. So next time if you wanted to drill holes for spots in the ceiling, look for cracks first and see what happens.